All right, guys, we are now at day 4 at the 2022 RV Industry Open House. I'm Mike Caudill, brand ambassador for Go RVing. And I got to tell you, it has been a fun week. Things are going to start ramping down, but not for us. We keep going. That's what we do for Go RVing and all those that follow our social pages. So I'm here at Grand Design. We've got 3 different videos we are going to do from here with 3 different products. And we're starting it, but before, hold on. Just please pan up and see that there's no rain. It's nice out. I could almost take my jacket off. You know why? I'm feeling a little bit of solitude, which is this RV right here. So I am over here checking out this new Grand Design Solitude. And did you notice how it made me take my voice down? Like I just feel calm, but I got to bring it back up. So check this out. Before we even get over here and talk to Tommy Hall, here's what I want to tell you. And this is interesting. We all own RVs, and all of us RV owners know one thing, that when we drive it off the lot, we're always like, we find something that we just wish that one bolt was turned, right? We wish that one little thing was right. A 360 fully outfitted review of the RV happens between going from the assembly plant to the dealer. And that is something that truly separates Grand Design from some of the other brands, that you really want to make sure from a PDI standpoint you are checking out that RV. So let's get into it. Let's have a little bit of fun. I've gotten serious. Now I'm ready to roll. I got Tommy Hall over here.
What's going on?
Tommy, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. Did y'all see how that energy level just went from like solitude to like, it doesn't matter, because now I'm at the campsite. I want to have a campfire. I want to do s'mores, and I want to have a good time. So tell us about the Solitude.
So what we're looking at today is we're looking at a full-blown Solitude, and this is one of our newest floor plans. This is actually a 391 DL. So you're 42 feet 5 inches long.
Yeah.
You're just over 15,000 pounds dry weight, and your tongue weight or your hitch weight's right at 3,000 pounds. So you're a full-blown, really long luxury fifth wheel with all the great amenities. You got the pass-through storage, industry-leading pass-through storage. You know, you've got the underbelly lights that hooks right up to your patio light. Tons of space.
I fit in here. Like, why not? I mean, why not jump in when you fit?
So the nice thing about Solitude is people always come up and they say, well, who's your buyer? What's your segment? And to be quite honest, the way that we manufacture our Solitudes, and in our mindset, a Solitude is for everybody. Whether it's that, you know, the single person that's going across the country, it's the couple that go across the country or spend some time on the weekends just using it, or a family that wants to go across the country. And really, this floor plan that we came up with, even though it's long, even though it's a little bit heavier than a traditional fifth wheel, we want it to be something that all of those segments would enjoy. So if it's that couple that wants to bring some friends along, or if it's a family of 6, it's going to have enough space for everybody. So the cool thing about this floor plan, and what we're really excited about, is it's got 2 full bedrooms. So 2 full bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, so there's no sharing of any bathroom space. 2 people can shower at a different spot.
We're going to go inside, because I want everybody to see that. Just walk with me for a minute. I want to just roll down the side. A couple things that I just want to point out. I want everybody to focus in on fit and finish, right? So when I talked about that 360-point inspection, I'm a car guy, right? I'm an RV guy. The first thing that I was taught in inspecting is you take your finger and you run it down lines. And do you feel, are these lines flush? Are these lines cohesive? Are there deviations in a line? The fit and finish of Grand Design products are paramount. So you got double slides here on the side. You've got your speakers over here. You've got your inlet for water over here. You've got an awning that pops off the side, right? Tell us about just the design. Is it all about maximizing space?
Well, it's all about maximizing space. You got to understand that with something this big, you're going to have a lot of people that want to enjoy the campsite, right? So you have 2 massive awnings. You got over 20 feet of awning
okay,
space.
Perfect. 2 awnings.
You got a ton of storage on the outside. You got an LP hookup for a grill. And with the 6-point auto leveling, when you're coming in and out of the coach, you're not going to feel a lot of shaking, moving. It's going to be pretty stable for you.
And you got LED lights down below to kind of give it that really cool pop. All right, let's go inside. I'm going to follow you in.
Okay.
We're going to check out, go for it. We're going to follow you in. Check out the inside of the Solitude. Wow.
So new this year was a total facelift on interior colors, exterior paints, decals. We didn't want to change too much, but we did want to kind of lighten it up for this year going into the new year. So new backsplashes, new flooring, new wallboard, new ceiling, new wood colors. The only thing that we really didn't change from the previous year was our countertops. That's the only thing that remains the same.
It's a beautiful laid out interior. I love how everything is just totally designed in here. We've got the TV going on. We got a game show. The Price is Right is on. Anybody want to watch The Price is Right? It's ready to go. I was wondering, I was like, is the battery just like, no, it's actually The Price is Right. All right, come in. We're going to enjoy The Price is Right. It might be a little hard to hear us. If there's a TV remote, we can turn it off. But a lot of room here inside. I like the way it's designed and laid out. Blackout blinds, very cool, elegant design. Talk to us about it.
So what we wanted to do is we wanted someone to walk into a Solitude, and we want you to have a full residential feel. Okay, so we want it to be as much of like walking into your house on wheels. So this floor plan, like you can see, we're in the big rear bedroom, 2 slides opposing. You got your full bedroom bed slide. You've got your wardrobe slide. You have a bathroom, a full bathroom in the back. So you have your sink, your toilet, your shower, with a rear access entry and exit door. So
awesome.
Someone doesn't have to walk through the entire middle of the coach if they want to jump in the back and use the restroom
That's the
while they're
best, man.
camping.
It's like a mud room / shower / like that's perfect. I do love these sliding doors though. It's like, hey, see you later. Love the sliding doors. They slide really well.
So not only do you have a bathroom and a bedroom in the back, but above this you have a full loft. So you have 2 massive full-size bunk mats. You're going to have TV prep up there. You're going to have your plug-ins for the iPads, you know, cell phone chargers.
Lots of
nice
plug-ins.
ladder to get in up. But if you're not sleeping up there, great space for storage as well. Huge kitchen, living area. We have Apex as our new furniture brand for Solitude this year. Really proud of bringing them on. But it's just a really good overall residential feel with a lot of brightened up colors. And then rear bathroom, rear bedroom.
I want to talk about this.
Yeah.
If there's one thing I wish I had in my RV, it was this.
A dishwasher prep, yeah.
Yeah, because I got a 15-year-old, I got a 13-year-old. Dishes pile up. My wife gets frustrated. We get home. We got to go inside. We got to wash them inside or wash them in the coach. This is cool. So you can get that as an option.
So we prep everything. So most of our, not all, but most of our Solitude floor plans, the ones that have a massive island like this, you have a dishwasher prep on this side. Now the nice thing is it's prepped. It's got your drain. It's got your hot water source underneath. If you want to have it, very easy to install, but if you don't want to have it, you have storage.
Yes, please.
Yeah, you have storage.
Yes, please. Power up here. We're going to make our way up top, guys. Check out bathroom here. I love the design. This is better than my shower at home. Look at that shower design right there. Pretty cool shower design in there. You get everything that you want from a shower standpoint. It's vertical. I didn't go inside. Do I need to go inside that one? That's been my theme this entire week. Oh, check this out. So this one drops down. Gives me plenty of headroom in here. I've got water here, water here, water here, and then I've got a wand. So you're getting like the ultimate luxury experience inside this shower. You think it works? I'm not trying. Okay, maybe. All right, here we go into... Is this the master suite? This is the master suite.
Bedroom. So the big thing about the master bedroom is the amount of space and storage that you have. So the front closet is a huge selling feature for us in the Solitudes. I mean, look at the amount of storage you have in there.
Spot.
The spacing, you know, you can fit in there and close yourself in there. But not only that main closet, but next to you here is a angled separate closet. So even more storage, and then in there is where you have your
hang stuff.
Your washer dryer prep.
Washer dryer prep in there as well. Yep. Fantastic. All right, so there's a lot of great things happening here with Grand Design. The most important thing is that 360-degree inspection between when it is finalized on the assembly line and getting to the dealership. That's something that consumers in the market are really going to know. Tommy Hall, thank you so much for showing us around. Guys, this is video number 1. I don't know. We might do 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know where we're going to go, but I do know this. We're going to be going to another Grand Design product, and we're going to be back on with you in 5 minutes. Thanks, guys.